Phlebotomy is the process of drawing blood from a patient for medical testing, donation, or treatment. It is an essential procedure in the healthcare industry, performed by trained professionals called phlebotomists. Phlebotomy equipment and tools, needles and syringes for blood collection, vacutainer tubes, special tubes for different types of blood tests, tourniquet, a rubber band-like device used to make veins more visible, alcohol swabs and gloves for hygiene and infection control, bandages and cotton balls to cover the puncture site after the blood draw.